Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to display pop-up on a Shopify store. We can use pop-up to display offers on your Shopify store, then to take customer's email address, then displaying some message and many more you can do with pop-ups. Shopify by default doesn't have this functionality. Hence, we are going to use Seguno Pop-ups app. So guys, before starting with the tutorial, if you are new here, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications related to our new videos. In order to install Seguno Pop-ups app, we need to click on Apps and then click on Recommended Apps. Over here, scroll down and click on Shopify App Store link. This is going to open the Shopify App Store for you. Over here, in the search result, we need to type Seguno and then click on enter. So the app that we are looking for is Seguno pop-ups and exit intent. So click on this. So guys, this is the listing of this app, Seguno, pop-ups and exit intent. They are having a free plan and also they have 10-day free trial. They have given the complete information about their app on this listing page. Let me scroll down and show you. So you can see they have given the screenshots and they have given the information also. Like they have mentioned over here, grow your email and SMS list, reduce abandonments, promote sales, make announcement, collect feedback and many more. So friends, if you see, they have also given the short description about their app. And if you see under free plan, you get 1000 impressions per month. So in a month, you are going to display 1000 pop-ups on your Shopify store. Then you get only one active pop-up. You get all pop-up templates. So there are variety of templates available on this app. So you can select any one template and use for the pop-up. Then you get analytics. Analytics help you to see how many times the pop-up was shown, how many times the user has clicked on it. Then you have integrate with your email and SMS tool of choice. So you can integrate with third party email and SMS third party app. Then you get email and chat support for any queries or any issues. Let me scroll on top. Now let me click on add app. On this page, you are going to see what this app Seguno is accessing on your Shopify store, like contact information, then any kind of data like products or your store details, etc. Now, let me scroll on top and click on install app. This is going to install the app on my Shopify store. As you guys can see that the app has been successfully installed. And on the first page itself, they're showing a message. Welcome. Your free trial has started. So guys, we get a free trial for 11 days. Now let's see what this app is giving us. So over here, you can see the impressions, then conversions and conversion rate. Now we need to turn on the app. So the thing that we are going to do is we are going to embed the app on a Shopify theme. So we need to click on turn on app embed. This is going to open Shopify theme customizer. So guys, if you see, we get the pop-up by Seguno over here, and if you see, it is currently enabled. If you want to disable, then you need to toggle these. So it will be disabled. So let me keep it enabled only. I'll click on save. So let's navigate back. Now, if you see, it shows install app embedded and it shows a tick mark over here. That means the app has been successfully embedded on a Shopify theme. Now it tells us to create a pop-up. So we need to click on create pop-up button. On this page, you can see all the templates that they have. Select any template which you want as per the requirement or offer that you want to run on your Shopify store. So let me scroll down and show you what kind of templates they are having. Like if you want to display a timer, then you can make use of this template. Or if you are having a sale, then you can make use of this template. Or if you want to capture customers' email, then you can make use of this third template. And similarly, like displaying offers and also to get code on customers' email, you can use this template. There are many templates which you can use. So guys, let me go with the second template. I'll click on select. Then it tells us to enter a title. I'll say sale. I'll say December sale. Then I'll click on create pop-up. You then get pop-up editor screen. Over here, you can customize the pop-up. Like if you click on this rich text, then you can edit this text. Like the text which is shown over here, it is the same text. Like I'll say up to 70% off, and I'll say Christmas sale. Christmas offer. Then you can also give it some font styling like bold, italic, underline, and you can also do the alignment. Similarly, you can customize the button. So the button that is shown over here, you can customize it like you can give a link. Like whenever someone clicks on it, he'll be redirected to collection or whatever page that you link over here. So I'll say sale. Then you can change this label text. So I'll say explore sale. Then you can customize the alignment like left, center, right, or full width. So in my case, I think that full width looks better. Similarly, you can give this open in new window. So when customer will click on this, then a new window will open. So now let's navigate back. Then again, you are having a rich text which says hurry, stock limited. Again, you can change this text. Similarly, guys, there's a eye icon over here. So if you don't want to show this, then you can turn this off. Then if you see, this has vanished. Similarly, if you don't want to show the button, then you can turn it off by clicking on this eye icon. Also, you can place these particular items on top of one another. You can change the position. In other words, like if you hover over here, then you get this particular icon. You need to just click and you can take it on top. So this was about this right section. Then now click on theme settings. Over here, you can change the image. Like if you see, this is the balloon image which is there in the background. You can change this image by clicking on change, or if you don't want this image, then click on remove. You also have the background location. If you I click currently, it is left. If I click on behind that, it will go behind a pop-up. So let's keep it left. Similarly, you can change its size, then the horizontal and vertical position. Now let's click on save over here. This is going to save the pop-up that we have created. So guys, now let's see whether the pop-up is coming or not. Now let me open the website. If you see, the pop-up is still not coming as yet. Now let's see why the pop-up is not appearing on the front end of the website. Let's go to the app again. Once you are back again on the app, we need to click on dashboard over here. Then again click on pop-ups. So if you see, currently it is disabled. We need to click on this button to activate the pop-up. So now guys, if you see, the pop-up has been activated successfully. Now again let's open the website and see whether the pop-up is appearing or not. So let me open the website. Now let's see whether the pop-up is coming or not. So there you go guys. After almost 10 seconds, the pop-up has appeared. If you see, we can see the background image of balloons. Then we have the text that we had entered, and we also have the button. If I click on this button, then I am going to be navigated to the collection page which I have linked. That is the sale page. So similar pop-up which you can display on your Shopify store. Also now let me show you what happens if I click on this button. So guys, if you see, now I am redirected to the sale collection. So now let's open the app again and let's see whether we can see the analytics of this pop-up. Now inside the app on the dashboard we can see the impression 1 because the pop-up was displayed once on a Shopify store. Then the conversion was also 1 because I had clicked on the button. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, we are going to see how to display pop-up on a Shopify store. We can use pop-up to display offers on your Shopify store, then to take customer's email address, then displaying some message and many more you can do with pop-ups. Shopify by default doesn't have this functionality. Hence, we are going to use Seguno Pop-ups app.